Hey guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to know if your air compressor is going bad on the semi-truck or your air compressor is already pushing a whole bunch of oil through the system. So air compressor is attached to the motor. It's a gear driven piece of equipment on the engine, and sometimes when it goes bad, the seals there go bad and it starts pushing oil and it can go bad. Now, one of the signs of your air compressor going bad is it either is going to keep building air, overbuilding air, or it's not going to build enough air, or it's going to be overworking itself. That's one of the signs. Now, the second signs I'm going to show you here. Right over here, guys, is your climate control. Now, new trucks like this Freightliner Cascadia does not apply. I'm going to put a picture here of an old truck. That truck, guys, is the earlier models, Freightliner Classics and Freightliner FLDs. That right there is an air-powered climate control. Whenever you move the swivels back and forth, it's powered by air. You'll actually hear it, and when you turn on the truck, it doesn't have no air built up in it. Your climate control is not going to work. But that's how they operate. If you remove that panel, one time my climate control stopped working because one of the levers by the cable got disconnected. I had to open the dash, and behind the dash there's air lines running, and I was kind of confused why there was oil there. And at that time I wasn't that experienced. One of people in trucking told me the reason why there's oil is there because your air compressor is building oil, pushing oil. And in a lot of old trucks, that's the case. So if you have an old truck, that might be normal to have a little oil, but if you have a whole bunch of oil, that's not good. But I'm going to show you in every truck now how to tell if it's pushing oil or not. Okay guys, every semi-truck powered by air brakes has one of these, the air dryer, okay? And this is how you tell if you are pushing oil or not. Okay guys, so on your air dryer right here, let me see if I can get a good angle. Right underneath this right here is where it spits out air. If it's oily, you're pushing air. Right now it's just dirty, there's no oil, so my air compressor is good. And air dryer, well, I think it's good too. It works really well. But all these lines right here where air is supposed to come out, you're gonna see oil. Right now I don't see any oil. I'm good to go. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 6 turn line. This particular package. Driving a temp in the 6 Series.